Hello, Konstantin here. Now let's take a look at structure of HTML element itself. As an example, we will use a p tag, the paragraph tag. As you see, every tag has opening tag and closing tag. The text which goes inside it, text or some other content, is shown to the user. User is not seeing those tags. Those are for browser to read the structure of the document. Almost every tag has opening and closing tags, but there are some of them which have only one opening tag. For example, image. I will tell you about images in the next video. Now let's go to the attributes. Think about attributes as some kind of properties of each tag. For example, let's add a style attribute to this p tag. To do that, you are going inside the opening tag and we are placing attribute here, for example, style. And let's write here some style just to see how it works. For example, let's change the color of this paragraph. Color red. And let's see how it works. Refresh the page. And as you see, this paragraph turns red. So it's working. One of the two widely used attributes on every web page are class and ID. Classes are used for like proper styling because for now almost no one is styling elements like that, writing style inside the text, The right way to do that is to have a separate external file of style sheets. This is the CSS file. Let's create it. Right click, new file, and let's write style, styles.css, and it will be our styles. And let's add here some styles. For example, let's style h1 element with a class of heading 1. And let's change color as well. Color, let's say blue. Let's save it. We need to somehow link our styles to our HTML page. How to do that? We are doing it inside the head tag. Here we can add the link tag. Link tag does not have the closing tag, and with this tag we can link some other files to our HTML file. Link have the main attribute which is called href. And here we are defining what we want to link here. And these are our styles. And see how the Visual Studio Code is telling you that you have this styles.css here. So it's like Visual Studio Code is helping you there. And to tell the browser that this is styles, we should also add the rel attribute, and we're writing here style sheet. Alright, now CSS file is added to our HTML page, and then let's add the class attribute to our h1 tag in the same way as the style tag at the paragraph, at the style attribute, sorry. Let's write here inside OpenInH1 tag class equals to, and we need to apply the same name as in styles, heading 1. Okay, heading 1, and let's see how it works. Save the file, refresh the page, and as we see, it's working now. We can inspect and check it out as well. As you see in Developer Tool, we now have class attribute on h1 element and style attribute inside the p tag. And we also have in the head attribute, we also have a link to the style CSS. Alright, that was the basics of HTML tag structure and attributes. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and happy learning!